Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your account name on Fortnite. So if you'd earlier been using a certain account name but now want to change it to something else, these are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, head over to your web browser and then go to epicgames.com. As you go to epicgames.com, in order to play Fortnite, make sure that you're already logged into your account. Here on an interface like this, you can see that on the upper right hand side there are three horizontal lines. Tap on it and there you will be able to see on the lower section your account name. Tap on your account name and then tap on account. As you select the option account, you will now be directed towards your own account information, the general settings of your account. So here you'll be able to see all the information relating to your account. And on this section, you can see your display name at the moment, besides which you can see an edit button. Tap on the edit button. And now what you can do is you can put in a new display name. So I'm just gonna put in a new display name over here. Confirm the display name again. And also please read through the instructions in order to see that you cannot change your display name again for 2 weeks after this change. So confirm it and then tap on confirm. After doing this, wait for the processings to entirely save in. And what you can do now is scroll downwards and then tap on save changes.